Your dev stack is bloated. Half of it can be replaced right now with free open source GitHub repos that already have hundreds of thousands of stars. Here are the 10 you need to know. Number 1. OpenClaw. 335,000 GitHub stars in 3 months, the fastest growing repo in GitHub history. It is a local-first AI agent that connects to every messaging platform you use: WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, iMessage, all from a single gateway running on your machine. The killer feature is called Heartbeat. You write a heartbeat.md file with instructions like, check my email at 7 a.m. and send me a summary on Telegram, and it does it every day without you asking. MIT license, zero cost beyond API keys. Best for personal AI automation and replacing your entire assistant stack. Number 2, LangChain. 129,000 stars, the backbone of the enterprise agent economy. 57% of companies now have AI agents in production, and most of them are built on LangChain or LangGraph. It gives you modular chains, memory, tool calling, and agent orchestration in Python or JavaScript. Real-world example: wire it to your Postgres database, ask, what were our top 10 customers last month? And it writes the SQL, runs it, and gives you a plain English answer. Best for building production agents and LLM pipelines. Number 3. LangFlow. Drag and drop visual builder for AI workflows. No code. You drag LLM nodes, RAG retrievers, API tools, and memory blocks onto a canvas, connect them, and hit deploy. It instantly generates the live REST API endpoint. Example: build a customer support bot in 10 minutes. Drag PDF loader, chunk, embed, vector store, LLM output. Done. Apache 2.0 license, best for prototyping and deploying AI workflows without writing infrastructure code.
Number 4. Dify. 132,000 stars. The full-stack LLMOps platform. It combines visual workflow orchestration, a RAG knowledge base, agent capabilities, model management, and production observability all in one tool. You go from raw idea to deployed app without switching between 5 different products. Example: internal HR chatbot. Upload your employee handbook, configure the knowledge base, add a workflow, deploy the Slack. Done in under an hour. Apache 2.0. Best for teams building and shipping production AI applications. Number 5. WebUI. 127,000 stars. Self-hosted, offline-capable ChatGPT replacement that works with Ollama, any OpenAI-compatible API, and now directly with local models. Multi-user with accounts, built-in RAG, image generation, and extensions. Your data never leaves your server. Example: install on a home server, connect Ollama running DeepSeek v3, give team members accounts. Your company now has a private ChatGPT with zero data sent to anyone. MIT license, best for teams and individuals who want full control over their AI. Number 6. DeepSeek v3, MIT license, 671 billion parameters, 37 billion active, mixture of experts architecture, benchmark scores that rival GPT-4o and Claude Sonnet, at 20 times lower API cost, 27 cents per million input tokens. The real-world play: stop paying $2,000 a month for OpenAI. Swap in the DeepSeek v3 API endpoint. It is OpenAI compatible, same code, just change the base URL and API key. 95% cost reduction, nearly identical quality for most tasks. Best for high-volume production workloads where cost actually matters. Number 7. Gemini CLI. 97,000 stars. Google's open-source terminal AI agent. Apache 2.0. 1 million token context window. 1,000 free requests per day. Yes, free. The standout feature is plan mode. Before touching a single file, it maps every change it will make and shows it to you for approval. Tab autocomplete in shell mode, MCAP integration for connecting Slack, GitHub databases. Example: drop it in a massive legacy codebase and say add dark mode to the entire front end. Plan mode shows you exactly which 47 files it plans to edit before it touches anything. Best for terminal-first developers and CI/CD pipeline automation.
Number 8. RAGFlow. 74,000 stars. Enterprise-grade RAG engine built around deep document understanding. The difference? Most RAG tools just dump raw text into a vector store. RAGFlow actually parses document structure, tables, charts, nested lists, PDF layouts, before chunking. Quality in, quality out. Example: ingest 500 legal contracts. Ask which contracts expire in Q3 and have auto-renewal clauses. It parses the actual contract structure and returns grounded answers with citations pointing to the exact clause. Apache 2.0. Best for enterprise knowledge management and high-accuracy document Q&A. Number 9. N8N. 179,000 stars. The hot newcomer, workflow automation platform with native AI agent nodes baked in. Connects 500 plus apps, Gmail, Slack, HubSpot, databases, webhooks, and lets you drop an LLM reasoning agent anywhere in the workflow. Example, AI sales pipeline. New lead comes in via Gmail, an AI node enriches it with a web search, scores it, writes a personalized outreach draft, adds it to your CRM, and pings you on Slack for approval. All visual, no code. Apache 2.0. Best for ops teams who want AI reasoning inside business workflows. Number 10, Firecrawl. 91,000 stars and growing fast. It turns any URL into clean, structured Markdown or JSON ready for an LLM, handling JavaScript rendered pages, authentication, rate limiting, all handled automatically. The problem it solves, your AI agent cannot read the web. Most pages are JavaScript blobs. Firecrawl extracts what actually matters. Example, competitor price monitor. Feed it your competitor's pricing page URL, get clean structured JSON back on a schedule, pipe it to an LLM that writes a weekly market intelligence report. Apache 2.0. Best for anyone building AI pipelines that need real-world web data. There you have it, 10 repos ranging from 74,000 to 335,000 stars. Pick the ones that match what you are building and go star them. Links are in the description with chapter markers so you can jump to any repo. If you found one that changes your stack, drop it in the comments. And subscribe. I cover tools like these every week.